हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी यज्ञा दयानंद गुरव तुमचं माझ्या यज्ञा ई लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करते. मुलांना आज आपण जो आपला 20th चॅप्टर आहे इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टार्स त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा, ज्यामुळे तुम्हाला जे आमचे व्हिडिओचे अपकमिंग नोटिफिकेशन्स आहेत तर ते तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचतील. चला तर मग सुरू करूया आपल्या क्वेश्चन आन्सर्सना. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राईट द प्रॉपर वर्ड्स इन द ब्लँक्स. ओके, म्हणजेच फिल इन द ब्लँक्स. When seen from a great distance, the sky seems to be touching the ground along a circle. This circle is called the dash. So this circle is called the horizon. Then next, the dash is used while defining the zodiac signs. So ecliptic. Okay, answer is ecliptic. Then third, classified according to seasons. One season will have dash nakshatras. So one season will have 9 nakshatras. Then the rising of the sun in the east and its setting in the west is the dash motion of the sun. So it's apparent motion of the sun. The next question, a star rises at 8 p.m. tonight. At what time will it rise after a month and why? Okay, so the answer, the star will rise at 6 p.m. after a month. This is because each star rises or sets 4 minutes earlier every day. Thus, in a month, the total advancement in the rising time of a star is equal to 4 into 30 and is equal to 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. Okay, then 4 into 30 is equal to 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. So, if a star rises at 8 p.m. today, it will rise before 2 hours. That is at 6 p.m. after a month. Okay. Then next, what is mean by the sun enters a nakshatra? It is said that in the rainy season the sun enters the Mruga Nakshatra. What does it mean? So answer is, a constellation or nakshatra is present behind the sun, which gets hidden because of the bright sunlight. So when we look up in the sky, we are actually seeing both the sun and the constellation behind it. Thus, when the earth changes position, it appears to an observer on earth as if the sun has moved from its position and is entering a new constellation or nakshatra. The sun entering the Mruga Nakshatra in rainy season means that Mruga Nakshatra or Orion is behind the sun. Okay, move to the next question. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. What is a constellation? So answer is, a group of stars forming a definite shape is known as constellation. Few examples of constellations are Orion, Big Dipper. The next, what point should be considered before a sky watch? So the answer is, the points to be considered before doing sky watch are, the place chosen for sky watching should as far as possible from the city. Then the night chosen for sky watching should be new moon night. Then binoculars or telescopes should be used for sky watching. Then pole star should be chosen as a reference point for sky watching. Then sky watching should begin with stars in west. Okay. Next question. It is wrong to say that the planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life, and why? So answer is yes. It would certainly be wrong to say that planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life. This is because till now there is no credible evidence supporting astrology. Okay, science, as we know, does not follow belief but has its basis on observations and evidence. Thus, it has rejected the thoughts and beliefs of many that the planets, stars and nakshatras affect human lives. Okay. Then next question. Write a paragraph on the birth and life cycle of stars using figure 20.1. Okay. So you have to see the figure 20.1 in your chapter, and then you have to write a paragraph on birth and life cycle of stars. So answer is nebula is made up of gas and dust and is the birthplace of stars. Now from this nebula, various forms of stars are formed. Some are massive stars whose size is much greater than the size of sun, and some are smaller stars whose size is smaller than the size of sun. Very large massive stars burn their fuel much faster than smaller stars, and may only last a few 100,000 years. The smaller stars last for several billion years because they burn their fuel much more slowly. Other stages of a star during its life cycle is sun-like stars, red giant stars. Okay. So sun-like stars, these are particularly similar to the sun in size, but there is a lot of variation in terms of temperature. Example are Alpha Centuria, then Toy-City, etc. Red giant, these stars do not have as hot outer layer as that of the sun, with temperature ranging from 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but they have a very high luminance than the sun. They are red in color and their diameter is 10 to 100 times that of the sun. Then next is supernova. They are larger and even brighter as compared to the red giant stars and even the sun. They are also considered as a primary source of heavy elements in the universe. Then binary or twin stars, a pair of two stars in which one revolves around the other or they both revolve around a common center, is known as binary or twin stars. Then variable stars, these stars have a variable shape and brightness, that is, it keeps on changing whenever they expand or contract. Their brightness decreases when they expand and increases when they contract. Example Polaris or Pole Star. Okay. So friends, आपला जो 20th चॅप्टर आहे इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टार्स, त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स इथेच कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. होप आजचा व्हिडिओ जो आहे तो नक्कीच तुम्हाला आवडला असेल, आणि व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, व्हिडिओला जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत शेअर करा आणि आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आणि हे जे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आहेत हे तुम्हाला रीडेबल फॉर्ममध्ये डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये तुम्हाला लिंक दिलेली आहे, तिथेही तुम्हाला मिळू शकतील. तर त्या लिंकवर जाऊन तुम्ही क्लिक करा आणि क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स तुम्हाला इझिली रीडेबल फॉर्ममध्ये तिथे मिळून जातील. चला तर मग भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.